Today, China has established itself as one of the most influential naval superpowers on the planet. Its massive investments in military technology have completely shifted the strategic balance of the oceans. From ships controlled by artificial intelligence that deploy armies of drones to submarines capable of lurking for weeks without being detected, the Chinese Navy represents a giant leap in modern naval power. But how did it get here so quickly? What lies behind this naval transformation, as silent as it is devastating? In this video, you'll discover the 8 most impactful Chinese naval inventions in the world, and by the time you reach the end, you'll understand why many of them have Western military strategists seriously worried. Number 8. AG600 Kunlong. We start with a beast that dominates 2 elements. The AG600, nicknamed Kunlong, is not a simple seaplane. It is the largest amphibious aircraft on the planet. It's the size of a Boeing 737, but it's designed to land directly in the middle of ocean storms and waves over 2 meters high. Powered by 4 massive turboprop engines, this mechanical dragon has an extraordinary range of 4,500 kilometers. While China officially promotes it for maritime rescue missions and firefighting, capable of scooping up 12 tons of water in just 20 seconds, its real terror lies in its tactical capability. The Kunlong is the perfect tool for dominance over the South China Sea. It can transport 50 assault troops with heavy weaponry and drop them directly onto any remote island without needing a runway. It's an instant air and sea bridge that gives Beijing the ability to move troops within hours, rewriting the rules of modern military logistics. Number 7. Haiyi underwater gliders. Imagine a swarm of elusive robots mapping the ocean floor without making a single sound. That's what the Haiyi underwater gliders are. Unlike a submarine or a traditional underwater drone, these vehicles don't use propellers or noisy motors to move. Instead, they use a clever variable buoyancy system that draws in and expels oil to alter their density. This allows them to glide underwater, rising and sinking in zigzag patterns, propelled entirely by hydrodynamics. The result is a vehicle that consumes so little energy it can patrol the ocean for entire months, fully autonomously and in complete silence. Why is this terrifying? Because China has deployed entire fleets of these ghost gliders near U.S. military bases. They are building ultra-high-resolution 3-dimensional maps of the ocean floor, analyzing salinity and temperature, the exact mathematical data a Chinese nuclear submarine needs to hide perfectly, or to hunt enemies without ever being detected. Number 6. Type 039C submarine. Nuclear submarines are powerful, but their reactors always produce mechanical noise. If you want a truly silent killer, you need a diesel-electric submarine with air-independent propulsion. And China's new Type 039C is arguably the most advanced and stealthy of its class in the entire world. What makes this submarine look almost extraterrestrial is the design of its sail, the upper tower. It has a strange mushroom or diamond shape with angled, faceted edges. This isn't for aesthetics, it's pure stealth technology, specifically designed to deflect and absorb radar and active sonar waves from enemy destroyers when the periscope breaks the surface. Thanks to its internal system, this machine can remain submerged for weeks without surfacing to recharge batteries, lurking in the depths of the first island chain. It's armed to the teeth with supersonic missiles and heavy torpedoes. In essence, it's a black hole in the ocean, completely undetectable until the moment it fires. Number 5. Manta Ray Biomimetic drone. If an enemy radar operator looks at their screen and detects what appears to be a school of fish or a ray swimming by, they'll ignore it completely. That is the psychological weakness China is exploiting with its biomimetic infiltration drones. They have built unmanned underwater vehicles that perfectly mimic marine biology. The most striking is their manta ray-shaped drone. Forget heavy metal shells. This robot uses soft robotics and flexible polymer fins that replicate with millimeter-level precision the muscular movement and graceful swimming of a real ray. By using no propellers, its acoustic signature is virtually indistinguishable from the biological noise of the ocean. These mechanical spies are equipped with high-definition cameras and intelligence-gathering sensors. They are designed to infiltrate heavily guarded military ports, swim beneath the hulls of enemy aircraft carriers, and collect tactical intelligence without triggering a single alarm. It is cyber espionage taken to the extreme of visual and acoustic deception. Number 4. Electromagnetic railgun. For years, the United States spent billions trying to develop an electromagnetic railgun, but canceled the project because the cannons melted themselves from the friction. China not only solved the thermal problem, it already mounted a fully operational one on a warship, the Haiyangshan. This monstrosity doesn't use gunpowder or chemical explosives to fire. It uses colossal magnetic fields to accelerate a solid metal projectile along two parallel rails. The result is a devastating shot that reaches speeds of Mach 7, over 8,500 kilometers per hour. At that hypersonic speed, the projectile doesn't even need an explosive warhead. The sheer kinetic energy of the impact is enough to tear through the hull armor of a warship like aluminum foil, or shoot down a missile mid-flight. Since it doesn't rely on volatile gunpowder, ships can store thousands of these projectiles, turning them into inexhaustible artillery. Number 3. Type 055 Destroyer. China officially classifies it as a destroyer, but the Pentagon knows the truth. The Type 055 is a massive 13,000-ton heavy missile cruiser, and it is currently the most lethal surface vessel in Asia. Its smooth, integrated design dramatically reduces its radar signature, concealing an arsenal that intimidates any Western fleet. It carries 112 vertical launch cells, VLS, significantly larger than their American counterparts. This allows it to load a massive arsenal of anti-air missiles and torpedoes. But the true nightmare is the YJ-21 hypersonic missile, dubbed globally as the aircraft carrier killer. The Type 055 can launch this projectile, which maneuvers at speeds exceeding Mach 10 in its terminal phase, rendering current missile defense systems practically useless. Combined with an active phased array radar capable of tracking hundreds of targets simultaneously, this ship was not built to defend coastlines. It was built to hunt carrier strike groups on the open ocean. Number 2. Type 003 Aircraft Carrier Fujian. Building a capable aircraft carrier takes decades of trial and error. Yet China leapfrogged entire generations of naval technology to launch the Fujian, an 80,000-ton monster that directly rivals the colossal American Ford-class supercarriers. What makes the Fujian a technological marvel and a global threat is that it did away with obsolete ski jump ramps. Instead, it installed a revolutionary electromagnetic catapult system. This technology requires a massive power grid and allows it to launch heavier stealth fighter jets, fully loaded with fuel and precision bombs, at intervals of just a few seconds. It also allows them to launch early warning aircraft carrying giant radars, extending the eyes of the Chinese fleet thousands of kilometers out. The Fujian represents the precise moment when the Chinese Navy stopped being a coastal defense force and became an oceanic force with aggressive global power projection capability. Number 1. Zhuhaiyun. We arrive at the invention that feels like a prologue to the end of the world. The Zhuhaiyun is not the largest ship, nor does it have the most destructive guns, but it is the most terrifying for what it represents. It is the world's first fully autonomous drone mothership. This nearly 90-meter vessel requires no human crew to navigate. Its advanced artificial intelligence system analyzes its surroundings, avoids obstacles, follows complex routes, and, most critically, coordinates its own invasion fleet. Its deck is packed with dozens of aerial drones, unmanned fast boats, and underwater gliders. When the Zhuhaiyun reaches its target, it unleashes a lethal, coordinated swarm. The AI creates a network where air drones communicate with water drones in real time to track submarines, hunt mines, or harass enemy ships, operating as a single hive mind. It is the total automation of naval warfare, machines deploying robotic armies without human intervention. From ships governed by artificial intelligence unleashing robotic swarms, to cannons that bend the laws of magnetism to destroy heavy armor, China has made it very clear that the next great battle will not be fought with the technology of the past, but with engineering monsters that operate in silence. Now tell me, which of all these naval inventions do you think poses the greatest threat to the world's military balance? The drone swarm ship or the Type 055 supersonic missile? Leave your opinion in the comments. I'll be reading them. If this journey into the naval future left you stunned, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next one.